Assalamualaikum guys, I hope you are well. My today topic is hire a car accident lawyer. If you have been involved in a car accident, you may need to hire a car accident lawyer. An experienced injury attorney can help you recover losses resulting from a motor vehicle's accident and reduce the hefty amount of paperwork, phone calls, and hassle often associated with car accident insurance claims. Why you may need to hire a car accident lawyer. Unfortunately, car accidents are everyday occurrence. Most personal injury claims in the United States as a result of an accident involving a car, truck, or other motor vehicles. Many of these accidents result in minor vehicles damage in the form of a fender bender and can generally be handled alone through direct contact with an insurance company. However, car accidents that involve physical injury, fatality, or other significant damage might require legal representations with an experienced attorney. What to look for when hiring a car accident attorney? Auto accident attorneys cover a range of issues stemming for personal injury, wrongful death, and property damage. When looking for a lawyer, you should concentrate on their experience, skill level, commitment, locations, and fee structures. For example, your attorney should be well versed in state and national transportation laws, know how to deal with insurance and healthcare companies, and know how to effectively prepare and settle a case. It's also important that you check the attorney's background, references, and track record. A good personal injury lawyer will typically accept your case on a contingency or no win no fee basis if the attorney feels your case has any merit. So it's important to check the attorney's standard fee structures. When to hire a car accident lawyer, it is best to hire an attorney early to avoid any costly mistakes. The deadlines for filing personal injury claims varies from state to state because you may need to pay for medical bills and or cover lost wages. The sooner you contact an attorney, the better. The general a person should contact an attorney shortly after the accident occurs, but before reaching a settlement with the insurance company. Question to ask an attorney: before working with the lawyer, you should have a much detailed information and fact about the car accident and any injuries or financial losses are possible. Document you might want to show your attorney after a motor vehicles accident may include your insurance policy, any police reports you have, information exchanged at the accident scene, and medical records, among other things. Below are some of the questions I should ask before hiring a car accident lawyer. What percentage of your practice is devoted to car cases? What experience do you have with the specific type of injury in questions? What is a typical settlement range for cases similar to mine? You have a completed treatment and not a full extent of your injuries. How much of my car accident case will you actually handle? How are you field structures? What out of pocket expenses and are you responsible for cost of hiring a lawyer? Most car accident cases are handled on a contingency or no win no pay basis. This means that if the attorney does not win a settle the case on your behalf, they do not collect a fee. On the other hand, if the attorney wins the case, they will get a percentage of the personal injury award. The attorney's percentage varies from case to case but can equal approximately one third of the total award. There are a different maximum percentage limit imposed from state to state. It's important to note the attorney fees are different from cost, and you also may be responsible for certain out of pocket expenses associated with your case. Ready to hire a car accident attorney? Get started today. Not all car accident requires the assistance of legal counsel, but for certain situations, an attorney can be invaluable to your claim and ability to fairly compensated. Learn more about your legal options by speaking with an experienced car accident attorney in your area. Get response in minutes. Car accidents are life-changing experiences. The crash itself is only the beginning of what can be an extremely long process of filing an insurance claim, determining fault, and most importantly, getting the clear. And one need to move on with their life, having to take on both the insurance companies and the law to get what you deserve from your accident can be extremely intimidating. Don't go through this alone. At Morgan and Morgan, we have been fighting victims of car accidents since 1888. 1988, insurance companies tend to seek to minimize compensations. Morgan prides itself on being expert at navigating the often confusing legal and insurance process to ensure our clients receive the money they deserve. If we go forward and you case, we will assign you a full legal teams as well as 24 hours open communication with as a via or mobile app, and we never charge beyond hour, which we get paid only if we win. Fill out their free case evolution to discover what modern can do for you. Attorney advertisement results are not a guarantee. Past performance is not an indication of future success. Six things to do after an accident. See what our clients have to say. But we are different. Modern. We have been fighting for over 30 years for our clients who are victims of car accidents to get them the compensations and justice they are owed. After all, insurance companies tend to seek to minimize compensations, but can seem like a fair sum might fail to cover long-term medical costs, lost wages from missed work due to accident or delayed injuries or damages that were not accounted for in the original settlement amount. We were expert at navigating and the often confusing legal and insurance process. In hiring lawyer necessary, how much do we charge? Modern operates on a contingency fee basis, which means you pay us only fee and when we win your case. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channels and share to other. Allah Hafiz.